Hi friends, welcome to AI testing with Vijay. In this video we are going to see how we can generate the XML format report. So in previous video we had seen how we can generate the HTML report, and right now I'm trying to generate XML report for the same the file that you are seeing. So for that what you have to do is you need to provide pytest-v. Then you need to provide the file name that you are executing, and or you can generate pytest-v. You can ignore the file name, it will execute the entire suite also, like what are the different files it has a test prefixed, right? All those files get executed. It will be hectic, but as of now I'm just concentrating on a single file to show you it as an example. So right now I gave pytest-v, then test maxfile.py, which is a file name, and you can just give hyphen and then you need to give a JUnit-xml is equal to, then you need to provide the name. I am providing the same name like how I provided for HTML. So exe underscore report dot xml and execute it. Now you can see it generated an XML file, and you can able to find in this location. So it is generated in this here. Then I can open file explorer, then I can open from here. So you can see it executed, and you can see the pass fails in the XML format. So the HTML format is more user friendly. You can see how many are passed, how many are failed in a readable format compared to XML format. But XML also you can able to find them, what test case get passed, failed, all that stuff information will be provided. Okay, I hope in this video I had covered all the basics that was required. So in previous video I covered like how you can install the Python, how you can install the Pytest plugin, and how you can make changes to how you can create the Pytest case, and how you can make use of -v and -k, and I demonstrated the videos related to markers, and in that I had discussed about customized markers. I discussed about skip, I discussed about skip if, I discussed about xfail, I discussed about parameter failures, all that stuff I discussed. Then I discussed about fixtures, then I discussed about xfail, and I discussed about how you can generate a reports by using HTML and XML, how you can generate those reports as well. I hope the basics, that whatever we need for Pytest, I had covered all this in this series. If anything is there, please let me know. I will record those videos and amend at the last of this playlist. I hope this video series is helping you really. If you feel this is very helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.